Imagine you send one message and everyone who needs it gets it instantly. No phone calls, no chasing people down. That's publish subscribe, or pub sub for short, and by the end of this video, you'll understand it completely. Let's start with the problem. Say you're building a food delivery app. A customer places an order. Now your order service has to tell the inventory service, the notification service, the analytics service, and the customer app. So you write 4 direct calls, then you add one more service and one more, and suddenly 4 services need 12 connections between them. Every time you add something, you go back and rewire everything. And here's the part that really hurts. If the notification service goes down, the order service that's calling it breaks too. One small failure takes down the thing that had nothing to do with it. So we fix it with one simple move. We put something in the middle. Instead of senders calling receivers directly, senders drop their message into a named channel called a topic. Anyone who cares about that channel subscribes to it. Now the sender has no idea who's listening, and the listeners have no idea who sent it. Nobody knows anybody. That's the whole trick, and it's called decoupling. Here's how it actually works. On the left, you have publishers. They create messages and send them to a topic. In the middle sits the broker, which owns the topic and holds the message. On the right, you have subscribers. And every single one that's subscribed to that topic gets its own copy of the message. One message in, everybody interested gets it out. So there are really only 4 pieces to remember. A publisher creates and sends messages. A topic is the named channel they get sent to. A subscriber signs up for a topic and receives whatever lands in it. And the broker is the engine that stores messages and delivers them back to food delivery, because this is where it clicks. A customer places an order. The order service publishes one event to a topic called order.placed. It doesn't call anybody. And instantly, the inventory service reserves the food. The notification service texts the customer. Analytics logs the sale, and the customer app updates the screen. One event, 4 services reacting, and none of them know each other exists. Later, when the payment goes through, the payment service publishes to order.paid, and only the services subscribed to that one wake up. Everyone else ignores it. Now, one thing beginners always ask about: how hard does the system try to deliver a message? There are 3 levels. At most, once is the fastest, but if something goes wrong, the message is simply lost. At least once guarantees it arrives, but it might arrive twice. So your code has to handle duplicates, and exactly once means no loss and no duplicates, which sounds perfect, but it's the slowest and the most complex to build. Pick the weakest guarantee your business can actually live with. So why do teams love this? Publishers and subscribers can change independently. You can add new services without touching the old ones. Many subscribers can read the same message. Nothing has to wait around for a reply. And if the broker keeps messages on disk, nothing gets lost. And you're already using this every day. Social media feeds and notifications, logs getting collected for analytics, sensors publishing data that apps subscribe to, order and payment events in online shopping, alerts firing when a server gets sick. That's it. Publish Subscribe gives you scalable, decoupled, real-time communication between many senders and many receivers, all through topics. If this made sense, subscribe for more system design made simple. See you in the next one.